Okay, hold on. All right.
Try to hold on to it as long as you can before.
Fine. We're not holding this.
Okay, go.
Let go.
Hello there, everyone. WiLLo Davis. How's it going? Today is Friday. It's like 5:47 p.m. I don't know why I said it's like that. It definitely is. I just am on my way to this park where I'm going to potentially see my friends for the first time since like February, when we finally did our Secret Santa or whatever. I'm pretty sure that was the last time I saw him. Anyway, just got out of Dunkin' Donuts. They have a new chai latte, which I got. And not only that, I got it with their new oat milk. Not goat milk, oat milk. Like oatmeal, but milk. Anyway, love oat milk. And latte is real good. There was a bit of a trouble. Walked out, I ordered this large, hot chai tea latte with oat milk and an extra shot, a turbo shot, which would, everyone make it, yes, a dirty chai, one of the best beverages ever. And so I got in there, and there was an iced beverage that had my name on it with a little sticker and everything. And I was like, okay, doubt, lots of doubt. But I grabbed it, came back to my car, gave it a taste, didn't taste the chai, and it made me very concerned that maybe this was just like the wrong order or something. So I quickly just violently spit it out outside, which was, you know, a little dramatic. But anyway, brought it back in, and I was like, hey, sorry, this is totally not what I ordered. Let me get and then they were a little confused. I realized that the person who had made it was this, again, totally fine, like, ancient woman. And she appeared a little hostile at first, but I realized that she was just a little flustered. And we all had a good laugh over it. The other person who was there at the counter looked at it and gave a chuckle and was like, hey, almost, right? And so they thought I was confused in that I had accidentally meant to order the vanilla chai thing, which is kind of like one of their like hot cocoa things, where it just kind of like gets fired out of that machine or whatever. But no, I wanted the actual latte thing. Anyway, I kind of lost where I'm going. No, I know where I'm going. So anyway, it was fixed. I was like, I'll take the iced one. I'm sorry, I just wanted to make sure that it wasn't like the wrong order because I want the oat milk. And but anyway, she remade it, and I was like, okay. You know, actually, it was really funny. She made me. She like took the syrup. I guess it's like a chai syrup for the flavoring, or like, I don't know, a reduction of chai tea or something like that. You could call it, I guess. She like put that in a little cup, and I was like, here, taste. And I was like, okay, yep, yeah, it's good. I'll take one of those, thank you. And so here it is, and it's real good. I'm sweating now because I had to close the windows to have our little chat here. And also I'm drinking a hot beverage. I really, in hindsight, I should have taken that iced one. But anyway, excited to see some of my friends. Got a little bit of time here, then I'm gonna head over to Jamie's. And that's how we're doing so far. I think tomorrow I'm gonna check out the P.O. box, so that'll probably be included in this video here. Hey, it's multiple days later. Jamie and I are actually heading over to the new upcoming apartment because the last person there moved out, and so we have some time to get things ready in there. Here's the situation, because it's probably very confusing. So we know the landlord, and so we're going to help like clean things up and stuff, and other stuff has to get done in the meantime. But like, so the carpets are getting cleaned, the place is getting painted, but so in the meantime we're just gonna go there, start like scrubbing some of the grime and stuff, like the kitchen, whatever. I know it doesn't really make a lot of sense for if you're just moving to an apartment, but it's like you know, we know the person we're helping out. And so I'm going to the P.O. box right now Then we're going to the store, pick up a couple of supplies just to clean some things. And then we're gonna be there, and I'll show it off a little bit. There's a lot that has to get done, obviously. Maybe we can do like a before-after type situation, but right now it's just gonna be the before, because it's gonna be over the next 2 weeks, all the things happening and whatnot. So let me go check out P.O. Box. Today's Monday, by the way, just so we're all situated here. Okay, so don't worry, I had my mask on. Now, here's the deal. I'm probably. You all win. I'll extend the P.O. box, I guess. I think there's just a big delay going on with mail right now because
Oh, hi,
oh
Mom.
my God, there's a squirrel. Hello, Mr. Squirrel.
Oh, look, he's eating an apple. Oh.
Think he was saving that there for later?
Should I give him a french fry?
I don't know if he wants a french.
I
Well, I mean, I'm sure he'd want a french fry, but. Oh, sorry, the lighting. So yeah, I think there's just a delay with the mail right now because of the.
Where did that apple come from?
I saw it sitting there. I didn't know whose it was. I guess
Yeah.
he just saved it for later.
I guess. Saved it for a rainy day.
I think there's just a delay with everything with the current world situation. So I guess I'll just extend it because I don't want people to send things and have them not get in, because I'm currently waiting on a few things. Also, I don't know if it's like noon. It's a little after noon.
Oh yeah, maybe it didn't come.
Maybe the stuff didn't arrive yet. 'Cause I know a couple people said. I'm just mumbling now. A couple people said that the things should be arriving on Monday. But, I have one thing that I grabbed the other day that I haven't opened yet because I thought I was going to do this whole thing on like Saturday. And now it's far too late, so I should definitely open that. And so we're going to go to the store, and we're going to go to the apartment, and I'll show some stuff off. Okay. Okay, so we're in the place. There's a bunch of stuff that's getting moved out. I'm going to have my friends come tonight, this afternoon or something. Well, actually, I can probably move out most of it. Just like don't need this. Just left by the last person. Thank you very much. Yeah. So let me see if I can show you around. Okay, you're walking in. Surprise! Living room here. Got all this stuff is gonna be gone. Well, not. It's like a wood burning stove that can stay, obviously. All this other stuff's gonna go. Tons of closet space. Look at that, lovely closets. We're probably gonna put our couch here and our love seat like here or something like that. The TV's gonna go over here. Gotta get a TV stand. Bedroom is over here. Full of more furniture right now. I kind of like the CRT. Not gonna lie. Play some old school video games maybe. This stuff's gonna go nice and long. Very, very long bedroom. That's gonna be cool. I'll probably have my desk in here for all my shenanigans. Bed gonna go over there. Tons of closet space. Closet thing here. Like this is like a linen closet. I could take the imagine someone was in there. I could take those shelves out if I need to. Bathroom's over here. We're going to get rid of the wallpaper in the bathroom. Don't worry, but check it out. Lots of things just need a little updating and stuff. Whew. Gotta clean. We bought all cleaning supplies. Gotta clean all this stuff up and everything, you know. Back in the living room, go through. We have this dining room, basically. Full. This is all going. All this stuff. Bye-bye.
Look, an old-fashioned can opener.
Oh, God.
Throw it out or put it in the pile.
Oh, my God, throw it out. Yeah, just a bunch of stuff left over. This is all going to be going. No problem. That's like a standing air conditioner. I don't think it works. I think there's a couple more garbage bags. Those are mine. Those were already there. Okay, then over here, the kitchen. We got the electric stove there. I'll be all right. Fridge is good. It's not dirty or anything. Lots of counter space. Very pumped about that. Decent lighting there. Nice tile. All stuff got clean up. Left a bunch of stuff here. Can throw all this out. Very good. And yeah, that's basically it. So getting all this furniture out today. Scrubbing the bathroom and the kitchen today. It's gonna get painted. Floor's gonna get cleaned. All that. Great times. Boys are back in town. Boys are back in town. And for the vlog.
We have three options. We can knock the pins out of the fucking the door.
A ball peen.
Oh, out of the door.
You got that ball peen.
We could try and caveman smash the feet off the couch, or we could.
I have a feeling that's going to be the best bet.
Saws off.
Oh my god.
Make a lot of
He was playing Doom Eternal. So here's the problem. This couch is not fitting in the doorway. It's gotta go. It's heavy. It's a sleeper. Unfortunately, this cushion thing. There's wood behind it. It's not fitting, especially with this. So we're gonna figure something out. Thank you, Joey. You explain to them what's happening.
Will is currently smashing the legs off of the couch.
They're just kind of pegged in there.
Unga bunga smash.
Okay, it's coming. It's coming. A nice plug. Okay.
Okay, hold on. All right.
Try to hold on to it as long as you can
It's
before.
fine. We're not holding this.
Okay, go.
Let go. Yeah.
Hey, it is the next day. It's actually like 5 o'clock. We just put in a whole another day of work here. Yesterday, I got my friends over, as you saw. We finally got all that stuff out. The couch was a big problem. Joe, you saw, I took the door off the hinges. I mashed the feet off of it or whatever. But now, nothing left in the living room. Here, I'll take you around. So, obviously, still have to get the place painted and the carpets clean and everything, but this is it with most things removed from the living room. Very nice. Most of the stuff's out of here. We're kind of like working out of the dining room area. This is all stuff that was still left behind that we still need to clean up. There was like 9 garbage bags of his stuff that we got out of all the cabinets and everything, and that is where that's all getting sent away. Jamie's been cleaning the cabinets and fridge all day. It's dark in here now because it's later in the day and everything, but whatever. And yeah, all the stuff's out of the bedroom. It's dark in here. Sorry. And then yeah, just nothing happened with the bathroom. I've just been cleaning it. Hey, me again. It's now August 26th. The rest of the stuff, for the next couple of things going on with the move is going to be a slower process, as we're just kind of like waiting for appointments and things like that to happen there that I'm not directly involved in, just like whatever stuff they have to do there. So I thought this was a good time to cut this part of the move-in vlog, and we can continue on in another one. After the last couple of vlogs, a couple of folks asked about like a housewarming registry, and I've been like, I don't know, because I don't want anyone to feel any obligation or anything. But I figured since some folks asked, I would throw something together. So I'll put a link to that in the description. No obligation, just because some folks asked. I threw together a couple of things if you feel like it. And other than that, look forward to the next vlog of moving in situations. And yeah, I'll see you there. WiLLo Davis.